Hi guys, it is Agent Bella and today I am located at Rancho Cucamonga at my parents' RJ Realty's news listing. It is 748,000 and it is also 1,948 square feet. I am going to take you guys to take a look at it. Come on. When you come in, on your left is a living room. And towards the right, it is a very cute breakfast station. You can also see the flowers in your front yard while you're eating breakfast. And then when you go on, it is a kitchen with a formal dining table. And now it is the most gorgeous part of the whole house. It is an extended living room or family room. It is so beautiful and it looks so stunning. And the best part is it's connected with the backyard. This backyard size is pretty good and it is perfect for a Thanksgiving party or just a normal party. And now it is time for the 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. First off, the master bedroom is also connected with the backyard. I think it is the perfect size. The closet's here and the restroom's here. Now we are going to move on to the rest of the 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom across from the kitchen and into the first bathroom. Okay, now it is a beautiful bathroom. Siblings can share that. And another bedroom. You can also use this as an office. Okay, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. And now, if you guys like it, you guys can call RJ Realty, my parents. It is 213-249-3255. Again, 213-249-3255. Bye!